Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Goa has been sold to the crony capitalist. There's a lot of destruction of Goa, whether it is double tracking, whether it is nationalization of our rivers, whether it is expansion of our highways or the transmission line. So Goa requires a healing touch. And this peace walk is basically to apply that balm, and we are saying enough is enough to the authorities. We have to give Goa back to the future generations.
We need our forests, we need our rivers, we need everything, because even humans need this, because we can see in the summers how everything is getting dried. And if we continue destructing, everything has a cycle, right from Western Ghats to the coastal plains to the low-lying fields. Everything is a chain, and you disrupt one of it, you don't know what slow death you're doing for the generations down.